In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to enable voice chat on your Roblox. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch your Roblox app. Now navigate to this settings icon. Head over to the option settings. Click on the option account info. Now you'll need to verify your age. Make sure you are above 13. You may need to verify your age using ID, so complete the verification if required and press continue. If your current device has a camera or webcam, choose continue, otherwise select continue and another device and use the QR code or email option to verify on another device. Allow access to your camera when prompted, then center your face inside the circle on the screen and follow the instructions by turning your head as guided. The system may take photos automatically or ask you to capture them manually. Once the process is complete, Roblox will estimate your age. Now you will need to customize this setting. Navigate to the option Privacy and Content Restrictions. Click on the option Communication. Now head over to the option Experience Chat. Now set both of these options to the on. Once you do that, you can launch any of a game that supports voice chat. Now at the top left, you're gonna find the microphone icon. Click on that to mute or unmute. And just with that, your voice chat has been enabled. In case you are unable to find that option over here, what you will need to do is click on the Roblox icon. Click on the option settings. Then head over to this option, input device and output device, and choose the microphone you want to use or the speakers. Then navigate to the option voice chat and click on connected. And that's it. This is how you can easily enable voice chat on Roblox. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.